You don't need a millionaire's bank account to look effortlessly wealthy. Looking polished, stylish, and confident is all about the right habits, subtle details, and smart choices. These 15 hacks will help you look rich without spending a fortune. And here's where it gets even crazier. Your first step to looking wealthy isn't in your wardrobe. It's in the mirror. Seriously, nothing screams refinement like a clean, polished appearance. Your hair alone can make or break that rich look. Honestly, chasing every new haircut trend just sets you up for regret when the hype dies down. Find something that actually works for your face. Skip the flash in the pan styles. And hey, don't sleep on a classic ponytail or a messy bun. Those can look way chicer than a salon blowout, no joke. Now, nails. People totally underestimate how much those matter. Clean, trimmed nails basically whisper, "I've got my life together." For women, muted or nude nails. That's the move if you want your vibe to be classy without trying too hard. Guys, keep that facial hair under control or just shave it off. No one's impressed by a neck beard. And scent? That's like a cheat code. You don't need to drop cash on designer fragrances. Something subtle, sandalwood, vanilla, musk, just instantly makes you seem more polished. Drugstore stuff can totally do the trick, by the way. Oh, and skin. People can tell when you look fresh and glowy, even if they can't figure out why. Get yourself some decent skincare and actually stick to it. When you show up looking put together from head to toe, trust me, folks notice. Even if they can't quite put their finger on what's different. Ever seen someone command attention just by being clean and polished? That could be you. But wait, it takes an even wilder turn. The second secret isn't expensive labels, it's fit. Honestly, nothing fakes rich quite like clothes that actually fit you. You could be rocking something straight off the sale rack at Target, but if that blazer hugs your waist just right, or your pants hit your ankles like they were born there, boom, instant upgrade. It's wild how nobody's ever checking your label if you just look put together. Who's got time for that? Oh, and let me spill the real secret sauce. Pick up some basic sewing hacks. Not talking about Project Runway stuff here, just enough to fix a hem or nip in a side seam. Those little tweaks? Game changers. And if you're feeling lazy or terrified of sewing machines, which is fair, local tailors don't actually cost a fortune. Seriously, for the price of a fancy coffee and a croissant, you can walk out looking like $1,000,000. Worth it every single time. Before buying anything, always try it on. Ill-fitting clothing, no matter the brand, instantly looks sloppy. Ask yourself, does this fit me like it was made for me? If not, it's either time for tailoring or to walk away. The difference tailoring makes is subtle but powerful. Stand tall in clothes that actually fit, and suddenly people start assuming your wardrobe is far more expensive than it really is. Just when it looked over, here's the next game changer. The colors you wear can secretly signal wealth. Neutral tones like black, white, beige, and navy aren't just boring basics. They're the ultimate power move. Why? Because they always look classy, cohesive, and intentional. Monochromatic outfits, where shades of the same color are paired together, instantly create a polished vibe. Imagine a beige sweater with cream pants or a navy top with matching trousers. It feels modern, elevated, and effortlessly expensive. People notice when your outfit feels put together without realizing why. Here's the kicker. Avoid loud patterns or bright colors unless you can style them like a pro. Most of us aren't trying to be a walking rainbow. Monochrome and neutral tones also save money. Why? Because they're versatile. One piece can be paired multiple ways, stretching your wardrobe farther than flashy items ever could. Ever caught yourself staring at someone and thinking, wow, they look rich, without seeing a designer logo? That's the power of neutrals done right. All right, here's the real tea. You don't need to blow your paycheck on a closet full of Gucci or whatever the flavor of the month is. Just snag one killer piece that makes you look like you know what you're doing. Maybe a classic watch, a sharp handbag, or a scarf that screams effortless, not I tried way too hard. Here's the thing. Our eyes are wired to lock onto standout stuff. So if you're rocking one item that looks luxe, nobody's going to clock that your jeans are from the sale rack. And let's be real, you don't have to drop a ton of cash on this. Secondhand designer? Yes, please. Or find a dupe that's actually well made. Nobody's checking your serial numbers at brunch. Quick word to the wise. Don't pick some wild, trendy piece you'll hate by next season. Go with something neutral. A bag or watch in black, beige or whatever. You'll get miles out of it. Timeless beats trendy every damn time. Oh, and subtlety? Criminally under fabric, and you don't need to be a walking billboard for some brand. Clean lines, quality fabric, and a silhouette that flatters you. Those details do more heavy lifting than any giant logo ever could. Honestly, what catches your eye first? A blingy logo or someone who just looks put together? It's always the second one. Here's the kicker. More isn't better. In fact, piling on chunky necklaces or giant earrings just screams trying too hard, and weirdly can make you look cheaper. You want those whisper sophisticated vibes, not I-rated Claire's at age 12. Go for the low-key stuff. Tiny pearl or gold studs, a barely there chain, and skinny belts that actually fit. That's the secret sauce right there. Oh, and for the love of all things stylish, match your metals. All gold or all silver, whatever. Just don't be a magpie. People notice when you look polished. Remember, quality wins. Stainless steel, gold plate, and stuff that survives more than 2 wears. Those pieces stick around and keep you looking sharp. If you're tempted to pile on every accessory you own, step away. 1 or 2 well-chosen items? Chef's kiss. Ever wondered why some people look effortlessly rich? Chances are their jewelry is simple, elegant, and perfectly coordinated. Not flashy or overdone. Your accessories should complement, not compete with, your overall look. But wait, it takes an even wilder turn. Your shoes are one of the most overlooked ways to appear wealthy. Shoes can make or break your outfit in seconds. Scuffed sneakers or worn boots instantly lower your perceived sophistication, no matter how expensive your clothes are. Invest in classic footwear, loafers, ballet flats, and leather boots. Versatile styles that can be dressed up or down. Neutral colors like black, brown, or beige will pair with most outfits, giving you maximum flexibility. Here's the insider trick. You don't need to pay full price. Outlet stores, sales, or pre-owned options let you snag high-quality shoes without breaking the bank. And maintenance is crucial. Keep leather polished and clean sneakers regularly with a magic eraser or proper cleaner. A small amount of care goes a long way. Ever seen how those with money always have perfect footwear? That's not chance. It's planning. Clean, traditional footwear indicates attention to detail, elegance, and stylistic awareness. Could your shoes be secretly sabotaging your great appearance? Here is where it becomes even more obvious. One of the biggest secrets to seeming rich is the material of your clothing. Your clothing will get a high-end aspect immediately, thanks to natural textiles like cotton, linen, and wool. Even if polyester or nylon is pricey, synthetic materials frequently seem cheap or fragile. Always touch the fabric before purchasing. It speaks more than the price tag ever will. Stay away from bright or extremely thin materials. They hardly show elegance. Check reviews before you buy anything online to see if fabrics withstand cleaning. A smart, budget-friendly choice that mimics natural fibers provides you with that opulent appearance without the large expense. Little cloth selections help to radically alter things. Better draping, a feeling of more expensiveness, and elevation of your whole appearance come from a soft, robust fabric. Consider it. Would you want to wear a fresh, well-made cotton shirt or a thin blouse? Even if no one sees the tag, the correct cloth subtly announces riches. But hold on. Things become even wilder. Your posture can reflect your affluence more than your clothing ever could. Posture is a silent money sign. Stand upright, shoulders back, head tall. Immediately, you will seem more confident and affluent. Walk purposefully. Refrain from slouching or fidgeting. Speak gently and clearly. Rushing or mumbling can reduce your intended impact. Even small acts like keeping hands visible or moving deftly project a composed, finished appearance. Confidence impacts how your clothes fit your body as well as your attitude. Someone with poise looks better in a well-fitted blazer than someone slumped. People view you as prosperous, capable, and affluent when you combine a welcoming, approachable demeanor with perfect posture. Ever seen how some individuals look wealthy, devoid of any clear indicators? Confidence is doing all the work there. Here's another game-changing technique. Your attire must appear fresh, wrinkle-free, and properly kept. Wrinkled or stained, even a pricey ensemble can seem untidy. A basic $20 steamer can transform your clothes and give inexpensive items a high-end look. If you don't have a steamer, ironing is an excellent substitute. Fabric sprays enable quick removal of small wrinkles. Wear nothing with obvious stains, tears, or fading. Doing so immediately lowers your expected sophistication. Good washing methods, such as fabric softeners and mild cycles, help to keep your clothes' brightness and increase their life. Little things really help. Sharp collars, smooth sleeves, and wrinkle-free pants show detail and perfection. Though they won't intentionally see it, individuals will feel the change. Imagine walking into a room with an outfit that's clean, sharp, and perfectly pressed. That's the kind of presence that turns heads and silently screams wealth. And this is where it gets really subtle. The richest-looking individuals don't flaunt logos or brand names. Instead, they accept quiet luxury, where muted elegance speaks louder than gaudy tags. Timeless pieces and understated details are paramount. Think about basic, well-made items that communicate elegance without screaming money. Camel coats, black turtlenecks, and custom trousers. Subtle touches like clean lines, symmetric patterns, and little hardware reflect deliberation and refinement. Not necessarily overpriced logos or hip statements, the key is letting the quality of your clothing speak for itself. Quiet luxury also relates to the way you match items. Concentrate on coordinated, deliberate attire instead of jarring colors or patterns. A well-matched traditional group shows assurance and sense. People spot cohesion, attention to detail, and polish before they notice the price tag, if they notice it at all. Ever pondered why some people appear easily well off? They have probably mastered quiet luxury, elegance that whispers sophistication instead of shouting it. But hold on, it takes another tiny turn to really pull this off. Keeping your closet is just as crucial as purchasing the correct clothes. Care, arranging, and fine attention to detail define a polished wardrobe. Keep fabrics free of pet hair and fluff using lint rollers. Wear and tear may be prevented by storing your garments in permeable garment bags. Overfilling your closet produces clutter and complicates keeping everything immaculate. Hence, avoid it. Fewer, properly cared for items usually have a bigger effect than a closet full of disregarded apparel. Little habits like folding knits correctly or hanging blazers on quality hangers increase their life and make them look current. Consider it. Would you rather have a dozen badly maintained items of clothing or a few flawless pieces that always look prepared to amaze? Good upkeep gently shows sophistication and guarantees your investment in style will last for years. And here's another trick that instantly improves your appearance. Outerwear may change even the most basic outfit. Instant sophistication comes with a custom trench coat, wool peacoat, or leather jacket. For greatest flexibility, invest in neutral colors like black, tan, or navy. These parts work well in both formal and informal contexts. For a sophisticated weekend appearance, match a trench coat with jeans and a sweater. Alternatively, wear it over a dress for a more formal event. Good outerwear lasts years, thus it is worth saving for. The secret is selecting timeless cuts and fabrics. With the appropriate fit and fabric, even inexpensive jackets may appear high-end. Moreover, outerwear gives your general silhouette structure. An air of refinement, poise, and posture comes from a well-fitting coat right away. Though people won't see the jacket per se, they will notice the polished appearance it produces. Ever understood how a humble coat may totally alter your scene status? That is the strength of everlasting outerwear. And here's a tip that silently improves your style. Even if it's not designer, a structured bag may enhance sophistication. The answer lies in simplicity, color, and form. A refined look that goes with any outfit is created by clean lines and little hardware. Large enough to be useful, but not so huge as to overpower your look, medium-sized bags are excellent. Neutral colors, such as black, brown, beige, or navy, Enable simple pairing with many different clothes, therefore maximizing flexibility. If the proportions and structure are proper, even inexpensive luggage can imitate high-end looks. Look for evidence of craftsmanship in the fabric and stitching. A well-designed bag preserves form over time, therefore indicating quality. Here's a secret. People subconsciously see your style as polished and deliberate when you carry a structured bag with assurance. It is about polish and presence, not about flaunting a logo. Have you ever seen how celebrities invariably look tidy? Among their discreet style weapons is a well-organized bag. But wait, it takes another small trick to elevate your presence. Sunglasses instantly add mystery and sophistication. They're not just for sun protection, they're a style statement. Classic aviators, wayfarers, or oversized frames suit most face shapes and never go out of style. Stick to neutral tones like black, brown, or tortoiseshell for maximum versatility. Avoid overly trendy or embellished sunglasses, as these can cheapen your look rather than elevate it. Sunglasses also create an air of confidence. When you wear them correctly, they help you exude control and poise, making people perceive you as more composed and stylish. Even a simple outfit can feel luxe when paired with the right shades. Think about it. Some of the most effortlessly chic people you've seen always have a pair of sunglasses in hand. That small accessory can dramatically shift how polished and rich you appear. And finally, here's a subtle yet powerful hack. Your scent matters. A luxurious fragrance leaves a lasting impression long after you leave the room. You don't need designer perfumes to pull this off. Affordable dupes or essential oil blends can replicate sophisticated notes like vanilla, musk, or sandalwood. Apply perfume or oils to pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears for maximum effect. 1 or 2 spritzes are enough. Overdoing it can have the opposite effect and feel overpowering. Scent is psychological. People often associate subtle, well-chosen fragrances with wealth and refinement. A signature scent can become part of your personal brand, enhancing how polished and sophisticated you appear without anyone knowing why. Ever noticed how some people leave a room and everyone remembers them? That's the power of smelling luxurious. It's the invisible accessory that quietly completes a rich, refined look. Looking rich isn't about spending more. It's about smart choices, attention to detail, and confidence. Start using these hacks today, refine your style, and watch how people perceive you. So, what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe.